Coleman.
Leader!
All right, our leaders have learned so much in math, and we're just wrapping up some of the things that we've learned. We've also learned about measurement. Every Monday is Measurement Monday. And every Tuesday is Time and Money Tuesday. Every Wednesday is Geometry Wednesday. Every Thursday, our leaders make graphs. They learn how to make bar graphs, line graphs, pictographs, and also tallies. And then on Fridays, we do fractions. So I would like to do a little bit more review. And we've learned in measurement different things. Starting off with, if I want to measure how long something is, what can I use? What can I use? You need some help?
Tape measure.
Okay, we can use a tape measure for something really, really long. What if it's something that's not so long? What do I call this? Hannah?
A ruler.
A ruler. And what type of units of measurements do I use on this? Sapphire? Nicholas, help her out. We use inches. Very good. And that's how we know how long something is. Who remembers how long this whole ruler is?
12 inches.
12 inches. And we call 12 inches a what?
Let's see. A foot.
A foot. Very, very good. So we've learned that. Also, we've learned how to use those measurements. So I know if I measure around this room, or if I measure around this square, this rectangle here. Nicholas, what am I finding?
Area.
Not quite. Not quite. That's a good answer. What am I finding when I just want to measure around something like this?
Perimeter.
The perimeter. Very good. How about, class, if I measure around the circle, what am I finding?
The circumference.
Circumference. Very good. If I measure all the way around the circle, I'm finding the circumference. And our leaders are so smart, they know how to take a tape measure and measure around different cylinders and circles to find the circumference. Let's see. If I take this circle and I do something crazy to it, like just this little line here. Any line that goes anywhere across the circle from one side to the other, what do I call that?
Chord.
A chord. Very good. How about if I go all the way straight across? Straight across. What is this? What line is that? Let's see. Jay, you think of what that is? The line that goes straight across the circle. Hannah? Well, this was the chord. This was the chord. Remember that line that goes all the way across? Yes, Nicholas. Diameter. Fabulous. Now, so not only do we know about measuring how long something is and measuring the distance around something, we also learn about how much something weighs. And class, what is this?
A scale.
A scale. Very good. Do I measure big things or little things?
Big things.
Big things. And what do I measure? What units of measurement do I use? Pounds. Very good. How about, now let's look at this scale. What units of measurement would I use with this? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Yes, Hannah?
Grams.
I can use grams. And there's something else I can use. Nicholas?
Ounces.
Ounces. Very good. We know that those are very light. How about the scale? So like that. Carrera?
Spring scale.
You're very close. A spring scale. It's got a spring in the back. How about